welcome back. In this quick video, I'm going to demonstrate how to do an overhead pullover using a kettlebell. Please read the disclaimer first on my channel if you choose to do it. I'm going to demonstrate how to do it without the kettlebell first. I've picked up my kettlebell, elbows close to my side, tummy pulled in, and slowly roll my back down to the floor, keeping my feet firmly down with no gap between my back and my mat. My elbows close to my side and the kettlebell will touch the floor behind me and come back in front with the elbows down to my side. Breathing in, the kettlebell slowly touches the floor and exhale to come up. When you've finished, you can either leave the kettlebell behind you on the floor, make sure it's firmly on the floor so it doesn't hit you on the head coming up, or you can curl up and place it on the floor. So now I'm going to just move this leg so you can see. I'm placing my hands underneath the handle, my thumbs firmly on top. Breathing in, lifting the kettlebell, slowly rolling all the way down, elbows close to my side, no gap between my back and the floor, keeping the shoulders down, touch the floor and bringing the elbows close to my side. Breathe in, exhale. Breathe in, exhale. Keeping the back firmly down on the mat. And I'm bringing my elbows down to my side. I'll just do a couple more here. And slowly come up. Make sure you've always got a firm grip on the kettlebell and then slowly turn it and place the base down on the mat. If you found that useful, let me know and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.